Okay, in the following example, we are given a trigonometric expression, and what we're going to do is we're going to simplify it, okay? And when I say simplify, I think the best thing to do is to get rid of the fractions. You should be able to state these as, one single expression, nothing divided by anything else, I don't think, because there's a lot of ways to manipulate these identities. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pay close attention to the top here. It says sine theta plus cosine theta squared. Well, I'm going to recall from algebra for a second the concept of the binomial squared, and that is that a plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now, I know that in my class, I have stressed this a lot with my students, and I know they probably still don't remember it, but it's an important concept. So keep that in mind, that it's probably important to memorize this, and I believe you even use it. Yeah, you do even use it in calculus. So keep it in mind. So let's call this guy A and this guy over here B. If I can get this to stay straight, there we go. And we're going to say A squared. So in this case, sine squared theta plus, and then 2AB, in this case, 2 sine theta cos theta plus b squared, which in this case is going to be cosine squared theta. There we go. All divided by 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Well, then what we're going to do, why don't we zoom in first on our Pythagorean identities? Because I see I have sine squared and I have cosine squared. So if I look here, sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. So then what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, well, guess what? Sine squared plus cosine squared, if that's 1, then you're going to end up with 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta divided by 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, but let's think about that. You have 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta over itself. So what ends up happening, now some people will say they cancel out. I don't like to say that. I'd say it lines out or crosses out, because you're actually left with, not cancel implies 0, you're actually left here with a factor of 1. So this, what we started off with over here way at the beginning, over here, all right, actually just boils down to 1. So it actually equals 1. So a really simple problem, but notice all the identities and algebraic reasoning that had to come in to play in order to answer the question. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it makes sense. And if it makes sense and if you liked it, please sure you like and subscribe. So thank you very much.